Namaste. I am SD Sanaf from Office of the Climate Research and Services, IMD Pune. I will be talking about weekly weather review and outlook for next week from 12th March 2021. If you see today's satellite picture, there is a western disturbances going on in the northern part of the country, and because of that, there are a few weather systems present. First one is western disturbances as a trough in mid and upper tropospheric westerlies, roughly along longitude 68 degree east and 22 degree north. And because of this system, there is an induced cyclonic circulation over northern Rajasthan and neighborhood and extends up to 2.1 kilometer above mean sea level. Cyclonic circulation is also lies over northern Madhya Maharashtra at 0.9 kilometer above mean sea level. And north-south trough runs from the North Kerala to Pavo system, and there is also expected that two fresh western disturbances are likely to affect the western Himalayan region. First one is from the night of 13th March and second one is from the 14th March 2021. If you see the last week's, as far as Maharashtra region is concerned, if you see the rainfall pattern, the weather over Maharashtra region was mainly dry in last week, and if you talk about the temperature, highest maximum temperature was recorded 40.8 degrees Celsius at Brahmapuri in Vidarbha region, and lowest minimum temperature of around 13.4 was recorded in Jalgaon of North Maharashtra. This graph shows the forecast, model generated forecast for next 3 to 5 days, generated by the global forecasting system at resolution of around 12 kilometers. First graph shows the forecast for 13th March 2021. It shows that one or two districts of the western Vidarbha region are expected to get a isolated rainfall activity, and second shows the rainfall forecast for the 14th March 2021. It shows the dry rainfall activity over the region. On day 3 and day 4, there is no rainfall activity expected over the Maharashtra region, and on the day 4, Vidarbha region is again expected to get light rainfall activity. This report shows the rainfall forecast for the next 5 days issued by the Regional Meteorological Center, Mumbai. Day 1, the parts of Vidarbha is expected to get a isolated rainfall activity, and also southern part of the Madhya Maharashtra also expected to get a isolated rainfall activity, and rest of the days weather is expected to dry over the Maharashtra region. As far as temperature is concerned, maximum temperature is expected to fall by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius due to expected clouding over the Vidarbha region, and rest of the subsequent 3 days temperature is expected to rise by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius for the Vidarbha region, and rest of the Maharashtra region temperature is expected to be in the normal range.